In this exercise, we are going to design a star. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get more videos related to CAD and related to 3D modeling. So let's get started. This is our environment. You can zoom in, zoom out with the mouse wheel, or you can right mouse button click and drag this thing around, or you can use these arrows and these faces for the views and rotation as well. This is our features window where we can see all the planes and origin point, and this is the origin of these three planes. These are the tools which we are going to use, and this is the parts window. So I'm going to click on front and let's get started. First we need to sketch something on a plane, so we have to click on sketch. It will ask you about the plane. I wanna design on front, so I'll click on front. Now I can draw something here. So I'm going to import my image here. I'm going to click here, insert image, and then I'm going to click on import, and this is the star too. Okay, I'm going to click on this image and drag this thing around here. Okay, now we have this one. I'm going to just drag this one around this origin point so we can use the origin point, and we will design the first side, left side, and then we can mirror the right side as well. So I'm going to click OK here, click on sketch again because this first sketch contains our image. So I'm going to use sketch 2, similar plane. I'm going to use front plane, and this is the sketch where we are going to start our designing. I'm going to select my line tool, draw a line, vertical line here to create the basic shape of the left side. I'm going to just trace this image, and we have our first closed profile. When you see this gray area, it means it's a closed profile, which means we are going to click here, and if I click on this shape and I press extrude button here with shift plus E, so I'm going to click on extrude button, and you can see the extrusion here. So you can drag this arrow to get the size, get the depth which you want, or you can just put values here. I'm going to say 0.02 inches, and it will show us this. Now we have this one. So I'm going to click on the front view, and this is our basic sketch. Okay, now we need to draw the star. So I'm going to simply click OK here, and for the mirror thing we are going to click on here on the mirror. We are going to select the part. I'm going to select this part, as you can see, and I want to mirror it on the right plane, right side. So I'm going to click on right, and you can see this side as well. Now we have this one, a complete first body of our sketch. I'm going to click front. Now we can design something else here. Again click on front. Okay, now we have this one. Now we need to draw the star. So you can simply draw the star. I'm going to use another sketch. I'm going to click on sketch, a new one. I'm going to select the front plane again, and I'm going to draw again a straight line from this point to this point. Okay, now we have this line around the origin. I'm going to press escape. Now I can select the line tool again, click here, I'm going to click here, click here. I'm just going to draw this thing. So here on this point, I'm going to click here. I'm going to press escape here to get out of this line tool. Now we have another close profile. I'm going to click on front. There is some kind of problem here, which is this area, these lines. So I'm going to use my trim tool here, delete this area, delete this area. Okay, now we have this side. I'm going to click OK here, and I'm going to press click my sketch tree and again extrude. So we have this extrusion. I'm going to set the values of 0.03 and that's okay, I think so. Okay, now I'm going to click on front view again, and I can just click here and I can just drag this mirror tool here and change this hierarchy, and you can see the right side as well. So this is our star. You can do whatever you want here, but this is our simple shape. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and you can ask me anything related to CAD or 3D modeling. So if you want to support me, just you can PayPal me for support. This is my QR code. So have a good day with this. Bye bye.